Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your device has enough power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions and data charges. Once done, open the Offline Maps app and sign in if prompted so your downloads sync. Next, tap the menu and choose Offline Maps or Download Region to begin. Pick the area you need and set the zoom/detail level, satellite or transit, because higher detail uses more space. You're now ready to queue the download and monitor file size before you save. Once the download begins, watch the estimated file size and confirm you have free storage. Clear an extra 100 to 200 MB as a buffer so the map completes properly. If the area is large, divide it into smaller regions or lower the zoom/detail to reduce time and space. This also speeds updates. Make sure to download essential regions first and use pause and resume if your connection fluctuates. Doing this gives you predictable storage use and faster initial access when you're offline. Finish by verifying the maps work offline. Switch to airplane mode and try searching for addresses or routing to confirm functionality. Make sure to update maps regularly, set auto-update on Wi-Fi, or refresh manually about once a week, so route data and POIs stay current. If you hit problems, clear the app cache, restart the device, and retry the download. Connectivity or corrupted cache causes most failures. If issues persist, delete and re-download the region after backing up any saved places.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.